In this lecture, we're going to cover the brow or third eye chakra and the crown chakra. Your brow chakra or third eye is located above and between the eyebrows, and it governs the area from the sinuses up to the top of the head. The color of this center is indigo, or a deep purple blue, and is related to light and your sixth sense. Many people prefer to call this center the third eye, which is a very fitting name because it gives you an expanded vision and a wise, balanced perception, both inwardly and outwardly. In Sanskrit name is Ajna, which means command, and also to perceive. Since the brow is the last of your embodied chakras, it is the highest, wisest point from which you can view things. You may wish to think of it as your command center or highest mind, and check in with it for all your key decisions. This chakra naturally expands between the ages of 36 and 42, a period in which we typically find that our outer world accomplishments do not give our life enough meaning, so we turn inward to the galaxy and the possibility within us. The third eye is the only spot on your body where your perceptions of duality dissolve. This is because the feminine and masculine energy channels of your spine, the Ida or Ida and Pingala, merge and become one here. This causes the two hemispheres of your brain to synchronize and work as one, and allows you to better see patterns and decipher the biggest picture. Because this chakra is connected to your dream states, it's associated with the pineal gland and not the pituitary, as some say. It is the home of your inner knowing, intuition, imagination, and higher self. Brow chakra or third eye qualities are: gland is the pineal, the seed sound is Om, the food type is beauty, visual feast, and mind-altering substances. The crystals associated with the brow or third eye chakra are azurite, labradorite, indigo kyanite, barite, blue iolite, and purple charoite. The essential oils that help with this chakra are clary sage, juniper, melissa, palmarosa, and frankincense. The celestial body is Neptune. The main focus of this chakra is ESP and clear perception. Your basic need for this chakra will be to connect within your higher self and the right to perceive. Some positive qualities of this chakra are, like we talked before, intuitive, insightful, wise, perceptive, psychic, visionary, and fair. Underactive signs of this chakra: when you cannot recall dreams, when you lack intuition and self-trust, eye problems, sinus issues, overly prone to altitude sickness. Overactive signs are nightmares, hallucinations, bipolar syndrome, migraines, dyslexia, eye or sinus problems, insomnia, and dizziness. The best healing methods for the brow or third eye chakra are meditation, intuitive exercises, making vision boards, and lucid dreaming exercises. And finally, our crown chakra. The crown chakra is different from all the others, and that is not embodied and therefore not subject to the duality of our material world. It's related to pure consciousness, so it doesn't have many of the qualities of the other chakras. It isn't tied to any element of physical sense, seed, sound, or food. It's beyond all those. Instead, it relates to silence, stillness, and abstinence. Strictly speaking, the crown chakra is violet, but as it expands upward into pure unlimited source energy, it turns white, the indisputable hue of spirit. This seems fitting since, as Newton proved, white is the color that contains every possible color of light, and spirit is the energy that contains all other energies. Your crown chakra naturally expands between the ages of 42 and 49, a time where most of us are seeking a higher meaning of our life and caring much less about mundane things. Yogis had endeavored to fully open his highest chakra from centuries through meditation. They said that when you reach a deep state of one-pointed concentration that utterly stills the mind, your crown chakra opens and you experience enlightenment, a mystical state of knowing the underlying oneness of everything. The Sanskrit name for this chakra is Sahasrara, which means thousandfold. A metaphorical description of the many-petaled lotus that resides at the crown. This is something we haven't really touched on, but as you can see, there's different representation of pictures of every chakra. I have chosen the ones that look more like a lotus, and there's also a number of petals inside of every chakra. So as the chakras go up, you will see more petals. Given that none of the 6 chakras has more than 16 petals, it's clear that the crown is an auspicious chakra and a lake of its own. This is likely due to the fact that it is seen as a gateway to the divine and a constant reminder of our true spiritual nature. The seed sound of this chakra is silence. Food type is none, what we call fasting. Crystals associated with this chakra are amethyst, clear quartz, opal, violet sapphire, white calcite, and diamond. Essential oils: lavender, rose, and helichrysum. Celestial body Jupiter. The main focus of this chakra is oneness with everything. The basic need to connect with the divine. Your right or basic right to know your true divine essence. Some positive qualities are awareness, unity, consciousness, understanding, wisdom, grace, and bliss. Some underactive signs are depression, apathy, skepticism, Parkinson's, MS, and OCD. Overactive signs are gut complex, over-intellectualism, mental illness, a stroke, and schizophrenia. The best healing methods for this chakra are prayer, meditation, and fasting. Just remember, the lotus flower that rises from the map to the surface of the water is an iconic symbol of the crown chakra energy. I hope that you have enjoyed our little walkthrough, our more basic chakras. I'll see you in the next chapter, in which we'll be talking again about crystals and what this energy means to you.